Hey, it's my last day off before I go home. And I'm, of course, going to go visit my friends, the jackasses, because it's always good to be with your own people. As you can see, I'm on the road to Oatman. You can see the background. I don't know. I'm testing a few things out right now. One thing I have is my roommate's microphone and lens. Oh, look at this. There's solar lights. Yeah. So this is a wide-angle lens, so hopefully I'll be in the screen. And there'll be a lot of background. And the other thing I'm testing is the microphone. So it sounds good to me. I did a little test audio before I did this. Now I'm pretty much just, I don't know, clear my head. Looking at the, I love it. It's so beautiful. I know I've said it a million times in my other videos, but look at this. And you got my bike, also beautiful. But look at this view behind me, off the cliff behind me. Tell me that's not beautiful. It's maybe I just like it because it's different from what I'm used to. If you hear the dinging stopped. That's not good. I was doing a time lapse. It looks like it's still working, but it's not making the dinging noise. Oh, there it is. So we're doing a time lapse, but the clouds are crappy, so it's not going to be a pretty time lapse. But it's something. See? 360 camera, have it plugged into the battery because some dumbass pushed on the button when he put it away into the bike, and it was running for like 30 minutes and got here with a smoking hot dead battery. I don't know who that guy was, but I'm talking about people. I'm gonna stop now.